In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the support team in Monday.com. If you ever run into an issue with your boards, automations, or account settings, it's really important to know how to reach the official support team quickly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to do that directly from your Monday.com workspace, so you don't waste time searching around or leaving the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you're on any page within your workspace, like a board or your main dashboard. You don't need to be on a specific board for this to work. The option we'll use is available throughout the platform. Now, look towards the top right area of your screen. You should see a small question mark icon, usually displayed as a cape symbol. This icon is Monday.com's help and support hub. It can sometimes be near your profile picture or other navigation icons, depending on your screen size and any updates to the interface, but it will still appear as a question mark. Go ahead and click on that question mark icon. When you do, a help menu will open. This menu may include links to tutorials, the help center, or frequently asked questions. What we're looking for here is the option labeled Contact Support. Within that menu, carefully scan the list and click on Contact Support. This is the direct path to getting in touch with the Monday.com support team. Once you click it, you'll be taken either to a contact form or a dedicated support page, depending on your plan and region. On that page, you'll usually be asked to provide some details about your issue. To get the best help as quickly as possible, try to be specific. Mention what you were trying to do, what went wrong, and any error messages you saw. It's helpful to include things like which board or feature you are using and whether the issue happens every time or only sometimes. Before you submit your request, double check the information you've entered so the support team has everything they need to assist you. Then, send it off using the button provided on the page. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the question mark icon and then the Contact Support option, you can easily reach Monday.com support team whenever you need help.